Imagine waking up tomorrow and being dropped somewhere you have never seen before. No map, no phone, no road signs, no one telling you where to go. You look around, everything is unfamiliar, yet somehow you know exactly where home is. You know which direction to fly, you know which path will take you thousands of miles away. And the strangest part? You were never taught. No bird gave you instructions, no parent showed you a map. You were born with something hidden inside you, a secret navigation system that humans can only dream of. Because deep inside a bird's tiny body is a memory machine so powerful, it can remember an entire world. Every year, millions of birds disappear into the sky. Some fly across oceans, some cross entire continents, some travel thousands of kilometers, only to return to the exact same place years later. But how? How does a creature with a brain smaller than a coin remember a journey that humans would struggle to complete? For a long time, scientists thought birds were simply following landmarks, rivers, mountains, trees, coastlines, but then they discovered something unbelievable. Birds are not just looking at the world. They are reading invisible information hidden inside it. The invisible GPS inside a bird. A bird's body contains something that sounds almost impossible. A biological compass. Inside many birds, including pigeons, scientists discovered tiny particles of a magnetic material called magnetite, a natural magnetic mineral, and these tiny particles respond to Earth's magnetic field, almost like a needle inside a compass, except the bird does not hold the compass. The bird is the compass. Everywhere it flies, Earth is constantly sending invisible signals, and the bird's body can detect them. But that is only half of the story, because scientists found something even stranger. Birds may not just sense Earth's magnetic field. They may actually be able to see it. Inside their eyes are special proteins called cryptochromes. When light enters their eyes, these molecules react in a way that creates a magnetic signal, meaning the sky above them may contain information humans cannot see. To us, the sky is just blue, but to a bird, it may contain an invisible pattern showing direction, like having a secret layer of reality turned on, a built-in GPS screen that only birds can read. But if birds already have a compass, why do they need memory? Because finding home is not just about knowing direction. It is about knowing where you are. And that is where the next secret appears. The memory map inside their brain. Inside a bird's brain is a region called the hippocampus, the same brain area responsible for memory, but birds use it in a way that seems almost like science fiction. Scientists studying pigeons discovered special neurons that activate during flight. Some neurons fire when the bird follows a familiar route. Others activate when it recognizes a location. Some even activate when the bird is facing toward a goal, almost like the bird's brain contains its own navigation software, a living map, a memory of places it has seen before. The bird is not just flying. Its brain is constantly calculating. Where am I? Where have I been? Where do I need to go? And some birds take this memory ability even further. The black-capped chickadee stores thousands of seeds before winter. But the amazing part is not hiding the food. It is remembering where every single piece is hidden. A tiny bird can remember hundreds or even thousands of different locations. And scientists discovered something incredible. Before winter arrives, its hippocampus actually grows larger, around 30% bigger. Its brain literally creates extra storage space, like upgrading a hard drive before downloading a massive file. Nature built a memory system exactly when the bird needs it most. But birds have another trick, a trick that uses something humans have studied for thousands of years. The sky, the clock that controls the compass. During the day, birds use the sun, but the sun moves. So how can it work like a compass? The answer is time. Birds have an internal biological clock. Their brain knows where the sun should be at different times of the day. Scientists proved this by changing birds' internal clocks. When researchers shifted their sense of time by 6 hours, the birds flew in the wrong direction. Not randomly. Exactly the direction their fake clock told them. Their compass was correct. Their time was wrong. At night, some birds use something even more incredible. The stars. Young birds watch the sky. They learn how the stars rotate. They create a mental picture of the night sky, almost like recording a movie above them. Later, when they migrate, they use that memory to understand direction. The bird does not just remember places, it remembers the entire sky, the secret map made of smells. But there is one more hidden ability, one that sounds impossible. Some birds can smell their way home. Pigeons can learn the different smells carried by wind from different directions. Over time, they create an invisible scent map. North smells different from south. East smells different from west. And when they are released somewhere unfamiliar, they compare the smell around them with the memory stored inside their brain. Scientists tested this by changing the smells birds experience before releasing them. The pigeons followed the wrong direction, not because they were confused, but because their internal map had been changed. They were following the information their senses gave them. So the next time you see a bird flying across the sky, remember, it is not just moving, it is solving a mystery every second, using invisible magnetic signals, ancient memories, the sun, the stars, the smell of the wind, and a brain that can create maps of a world it may never see again. Humans built GPS satellites. Birds were born with one. And the most incredible part? This technology was not invented, it was evolved. Hidden inside a creature small enough to fit in your hand is one of nature's greatest navigation systems.